Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all. Today is week 5, lecture 2 of chapter Heart and the Circulatory System. Now, students, we start reading of the heading that is Basic Structure of Heart. Open your book. Now, our heart is equal to our fist and made of muscular walls. It has four compartments or chambers, two upper atria and two lower ventricle. These are enclosed by a thick muscular wall. Atria and ventricles are separated by the valves. Valves inhibit the backflow of blood between them. The lower chamber called ventricle is divided into the left and the right ventricles. The function of these two ventricles is to pump blood out of the heart. These ventricles are separated by a wall called septum. Similarly, the upper chambers called atria are divided into the left and right atria. The function of these two chambers is to receive the blood. These atria are also separated by a septum. The circulatory system consists of heart and blood vessels. These blood vessels include arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry pure or oxygenated blood from the heart and supply throughout the body. Veins carry impure or deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart and then to the lungs to get more oxygen. Capillaries are the smallest and the thinnest blood vessels. They take oxygenated blood from the arteries and supply to the tissue and receives deoxygenated blood from the tissue and supply it to the veins. Now it's time for explanation that human heart is just like the size of our fist. It has four compartments or chambers, two upper atria and two lower ventricles. They are separated by valves said to be the doors. They won't allow backflow of blood. The lower chamber are called ventricles, divided into right and left. Their function is to pump blood out of heart. These ventricles are separated by septum, a wall, and the upper atria receive blood. They are also separated by septum. There are two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Arteries carry pure blood, whilst veins carry impure blood. Pure blood said to be oxygenated blood because blood, and impure blood said to be deoxygenated blood. These large vessels convert into capillaries to supply blood to each and every smallest tissue of our body. They supply pure blood and receive impure blood from the vessels. Here I show you the picture of capillaries, how the capillaries are combined in the center and the flow of pure or impure blood is going to be happen. That that system altogether said to be the circulatory system. They play a vital role in our life. Storage of blood or high low situations of blood pressure make us ill. So to maintain blood pressure we need to take healthy diet. Now it's here I'll show you the diagram of blood vessels, the whole flow of blood in the body from head till toe. The heart is a pumping station. It pumps blood to whole part of the body. So to make our heart healthy, we have to need good exercise and take healthy diet. Now it's time for assignment. Do reading of the chapter thoroughly. Do activity book page number and also draw the title page of the chapter and copywork.